Yo guys, welcome back to a new video. I found a planet in Animal Company, so we're going to check that out in Mines. So let's go. The first thing you need to go to get is a grappler. I showed this in another video where I got where I do the grapplers. And if you want more, just see the video. That's how I say, you know. Oh, oh yeah, it is right here. Then I go right there. Pickaxe, grappler, yeah. I'm just going to be getting a normal grappler. Hold on. And yeah, I'm going to get more storage, so yeah, don't worry about it. I got it from a gift, cause I was nice. You don't actually need a lie, but yeah, I'm not spending money on that. So you need to go to mines. There is where the planetarium are. Warning, do not sell the broccoli because it's not worth. It's like 300 or something. At a full backpack. This backpack. Oh yeah. Hold on, I just gotta. Yeah. I'm going to get a new backpack. Oh yeah, I'm not going to need a new backpack, but I'm just going to get another backpack. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. I'm going to get hold on. I'm going to get oh shit. Yeah. You probably see. I don't know the word in English. So yeah, I'm going to get another bag. Or that. Oh yeah, you guys will see. Okay. So this bag. So this bag is full of hook shots. No. Here are the hook shots. Okay, no one. Okay. So, how should I do this? Oh yeah. My backpack. You guys might understand this, but okay. Holy shit. This is heavy. Okay. You need this backpack to get the most of the broccoli. So now let's get into the video. I saw that I lost another subscriber. I don't know why, because I posted 2 videos yesterday and one today. And yeah, I don't know why, because I was gone for 3 weeks. 3 weeks? I'm sorry. Oh yeah. So you gotta go straight until you go to here. On the first layer, you go left and then go this. Then you grapple up, because there is a spider there. Then you go up to here. Don't go that way, don't go that way. Go this way. Then you will see there is the thing. So you can get the art. And I saw another video telling me where it was. So shout out to him. I'm gonna put his channel through this. So yeah. Basically can get here, can get a research point, but I already claimed mine. But if you claim, it is good for Animal Company coins. So yeah, I'm gonna put my volume what not so loud, so you can This is basically good for animal company coins. So if you are low on animal company coins and you don't play very well and you want to, if you just play this game, just step back around and just find it very collect company coins and yeah, or you can just buy them. So yeah, I just got 10 animal company coins from this whole planet. So if you do this every day, you can get 10 every day. So yeah, I'm show you guys. Yeah, should I put my now? I'm gonna put my pig hats over here. Then you just then you just go here and get all of the broccoli. You will need to leave two broccoli left because otherwise you go back. Oh yeah, you can go back, but then it is not good way. Yeah, I just gonna leave these two right here. Not going to get to the green planet and get it. No, I actually need I actually need 10 research points to get this bag, of course. I got this bag, so it is full now. So you can go and you can go eat 2 broccolis, and your voice is gonna get your voice is gonna get like a 5-year-old that's playing Gorilla Tag. But now you are back at spawn and you're really big. My voice is, I think, also big, but I don't know how. But yeah, this is basically... No, I died! But yeah, basically that is it. Oh, that's huge. So yeah, that's basically... I can just get another... Yeah. I can get another bag full, but I just lost that bag, so yeah. But I don't really care. So yeah, that's basically for the video. If you want more where the planets are and stuff, you can just go click on my channel and comment more. And yeah, that is basically it for the video. So if you enjoyed this video, drop a like, subscribe, and bye.